Okay, you should check this out.
What you got?
Tell me what you think.
That's it.
Why are we making this video?
Because we broke the hard drive and everything's stuck on it, so we're gonna have to spend a small fortune of money to get professionals to take the thing apart to get the hundreds of gigs of movies off of it.
What are the movies of?
Philippines.
Can we be more specific?
Lots of stuff.
The first 2.5 weeks of our trip here.
Yep.
So, the people who follow us on YouTube and Facebook and Patreon haven't seen any of our videos for the last 2.5 weeks.
Because you broke the hard drive.
Because you broke the hard drive.
Because we broke the hard drive.
I don't know if you have a mouse in your pocket.
You had it plugged in on the edge of the table. I knocked it off the table. This is a mutually assured self-destruction is what this is.
So now when we get to Puerto Princesa in 2 days, we're going to send it off to the company
Yeah, a company
in the United States
Yep.
and pray that we get the information back.
Yep.
So that we can actually make videos and send it to our peeps.
Our peeps.
Our peeps.
Yo.
They're our peeps. We like our peeps.
Dig our peeps. Love our peeps.
Our peeps are awesome.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We'll see you next time.